What's going on, beautiful world? The light is beaming, the birds are chirping. It's your boy F-I-L-I. You know how it goes with another episode of Styles by Philly. On this episode right here, we are going to talk about that Fear of God Essentials second delivery for the spring summer of 2023. So I'm going to talk about some pieces that I picked up recently that Essence got, including some pieces that dropped from the last drop that Essence didn't get. So I'm going to put some dope fits together, give you a little bit of a review, tell you how I feel about them and what my favorite pieces are from this second delivery. So with that being said, you know how it's gonna go down. Let's get to this. I found my way, mission accomplished. I got it, not far from afraid. Can nothing haunt me? Confident on my left is great. Can nothing stop me? Don't count me out, ain't got no ways. Ain't stuff for nothing. I found my route. We back again, second delivery, essentials. You know how we do. Your boy is here. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that alert button to make sure that when I drop some videos, you know what's coming your way. Anyways, with that being said, let's get into the second delivery right away because we got some old pieces from the first drop and some new pieces because Essence just received some of the old pieces as well. So let's get into this right away. First off, we have BAM, this Plum t-shirt. Finally was able to get it. I was about to cop from Paxton, but I didn't want to pay those duties. So happy that Essence finally got it. Really stoked to get this t-shirt just because I like this Plum colorway, to be honest. The Plum and Sycamore are one of the best colorways that came out of this drop. So happy that I ended up getting it. Still 100% cotton. Still fits like the old t-shirts that, well, the recent t-shirts that's been releasing with that thick colorway. I can see this sticking in my closet for some time. Also got it in the Sycamore colorway. Now I will say that I can finally compare this to my blue t-shirt that I copped from 2019 with the Essentials 3M logo on the back, and you'll see that this Sycamore, which is considered a blue but I consider it to be more of a green, is darker than that blue that came out in 2019 with the 3M in the back. In the comparison, you'll see it right there. I actually like both tees, to be honest. I mean, I could return one because it's technically basically the same color when you think about it, just one's darker. No one will know the difference, but I might just keep it anyways. Next up is I want to talk about this Terrycloth bamboo cotton mixture. I think some nylons in here as well. I was excited to get these pieces right here. I ended up getting the shorts, and I'm going to do a comparison also because I ended up getting in the small and the medium, so I want to show you how it fits in case y'all were wondering in regards to sizing. I don't mind the small, but the medium also fits nice. It's a little bit looser, not by much, but you can tell it's a little bit longer. I personally think I might go with the small just to give it a more summery vibe, above the knee look. But I was a little disappointed when I saw these pieces because I thought they were actually velour when I saw the lookbook, and they ended up being, like I said, Terrycloth. It does have a cotton lining inside, which makes it uber soft, very similar to the waffle hood that I talked about in my last video. I can't see myself rocking these too tough, to be honest. You know, they are pretty heavy. The strings are very long. It does have that black rubberized logo in the front like any other shorts do, but I don't know if I can see myself rocking this for much. And this is the medium right here. Pretty dope piece. Same thing. Not much changed. Again, I'm probably going to go with the small as opposed to the medium, but the medium also does look really dope. The next piece I want to talk about are these shorts right here. The full fleece shorts. Now, they seemed a little bit shorter than usual, though they are not, because I did compare them to my other small shorts. I ended up getting them in the small because I felt like the shorts kept getting bigger and bigger for some reason. And to be honest, I didn't mind these in the small. It still has this weird crotch part that I don't know if it's I have to wear it out for some time for the crotch to look a little bit different, but it did stick out a bit and I wasn't too happy about that. But again, I might have to give them a wash first or maybe wear them out for some time at home before I could even take them out to the streets and, you know, flashing down. I mean, just messing around. But anyways, has that new Essentials font. Still not a fan of it, but it looks like we're going to be seeing this for quite some time. Next up, I have these relaxed fit Terrycloth pants. Now, I did try these on. I do like them, but I do not like the off black in these Terrycloths relaxed fit pants. Something about them that the colorway just doesn't seem clean to me. I was actually looking forward to this so I can rock it with the polo, but I am not a fan of it, to be honest. It does have a cotton lining inside, which is cool. I like the fact that Essentials is actually using, you know, a new material, which is rayon made out of bamboo,
which is pretty interesting, to be honest, that they use that material, because I've never seen them use any of those materials before. Though I am a fan because it does have that tonal rubberized logo in the front. I did get my true to size medium, and as you can see when I did my try on, they did fit quite nice, especially with those California slip-ons. I don't know if I'll be keeping these pants just because I don't know, it's just something about them that I'm not liking. Again, when I first saw it in the lookbook, I thought they were actually velour, which is what I was looking forward to, but unfortunately it's not that. It's actually a Terrycloth, but hey, what can we do? Next up, I want to talk about these Polo Terrycloths. I did get them in a bunch of colorways. So here you have the Sycamore, here you have the off black right here, and the one that I actually ended up liking the most is this one right here, which is in the Plum. I'm still debating whether I'm going to keep the Plum or not. I was looking forward to see if Essence ended up getting the shorts, even though the model was wearing the shorts on the website. They didn't drop the shorts at all. A little disappointed about that because I wanted to have like the full set. I did manage to actually, combine this with a few pieces that I already have in my closet. It does look dope, but I don't know. I'm still on the fence if I'm going to keep this or not. I will say I went to my true to size medium in this, and it does fit cozy because of the cotton lining inside. It's super soft. It does flow a lot, and I mean, I think it's worth the cop. But for me, I still don't know. I'm on the fence if I'm going to keep it or not. I also ended up getting a crew neck in the Sycamore. Now this did sell out pretty quick. I ended up getting a large and a medium. Again, raglan style, has the new font right in the corner. I will say this does fit a little bit baggier than the coral crew neck that released earlier. I do like the fact that this fits a little bit bigger. It's not by much, to be honest, but you can tell that there's a little bit of a difference. I feel that the coral one fit a bit more snug. They're back to making it a bit baggier, which I'm kind of hyped, which is weird because the crew neck is baggier but the hoodies were actually smaller. I don't know, very weird. I don't know if it's a manufacturing thing. Maybe Jerry Lorenzo and the Fear of God Essentials team needs to talk to the manufacturers and talk about like the sizing, because the inconsistencies are not doing it for me, to be honest, because I don't want to play Russian roulette when copying pieces, right? Because I don't want to be returning things. I just want to get my pieces and start rocking them right away. But nonetheless, pretty dope piece. It does have that black rubberized logo in the back. Very cozy. It's still 60% cotton, 40% polyester. Again, a piece that you can keep in your closet for some time and wear it in the fall as well as the spring, and also layer up in the winter. And last but not least, I do want to talk about my favorite piece right here. This is my top pick for this drop. I believe everyone was looking forward to this. This is that 3/4 sleeve half zip. I'm a fan of this piece. Very detailed. The zipper has that E right there, obviously for essentials. Now, what I thought was a kangaroo pocket, it's not. It's actually just pockets. They do end. It doesn't go all the way in, which I ain't mad at. I like the fact that, it does open halfway. It's very cozy, to be honest. I'm comfortable in this. It does have that rubberized black logo in the back, as well as the Fear of God Essentials on the back as well. Now, I like this for the simple fact that I don't have to stare at this font when I look down, and it is on the back side, and the front just looks very, very clean. I'm happy that I got this because I can see myself rocking this with some of the outfits that I have already from Fear of God Essentials. I can also see myself rocking this with some of the mainline pieces that I do have. So this is probably going to stick around my closet for some time. That drop shoulder is fire, and that 3/4 sleeve fits very, very like the mainline 3/4 sleeve gray shirts that he released. So I'm kind of happy that I did get this in an essentials piece. This is the one piece I was really looking forward to. I prefer this in the Sycamore over the Plum as well as the off black, but I'd like to see those colorways also in person because I don't know how they look, and Essence still hasn't received them. That's pretty much it in regards to what I copped. Kind of do like this second delivery, but again, it's hard for me to even talk about anything when Essence hasn't received the full catalog that Essentials drops on their website. Hoping to see real soon that they will receive some more stuff. I always check the website to see if there's anything that they're sneaking in without, if they haven't said anything, because their Instagram doesn't really say much, neither does their Twitter account. So I don't know if things are slowly being dropped or what's happening, but I'm still looking forward to see if they get some other pieces. But enough of that. Let's talk about some of the things that I'm gonna put together, which are these dope outfits. So we're gonna get to that right now. Let's go.
Fuck what you thinking about it, how you feeling about it. You know you just gotta get out there and kill that shit, bro. You got this.
All you gotta do is drop the album. Drop it today. The people have been waiting. Drop the album.
One day, all the people who didn't believe in you will tell others how they made you.
I can't wait to drop your EP, bro. You gotta go worldwide, bro. I can't wait. I know you got this. I know you got this, man.
Yeah, you hear that? Yeah, that soul rhythm. My pen will tell you that he got soul in him. Posted up on the corner with gold linens, DS Jordans with orthopedic soles in them. I'm so Jigga, but yet I'm so Hendrix. I'm so far beyond what y'all fucking expected. Question my life intentions. Ask me if I learned my lesson, but lack to see the relief. I'm trying to ease mama's tensions, trying to reach all my blessings. Thinking of every sin, then get on my hands and knees, and then I begin repenting. But their devilish ways want to see me depressed, and all of these pretty girls want to see me undress them. Hold up, let's take a second. I want capital like the beginning of every sentence. Hold up, and did I mention my papa was hardly present? My mom acted like both parents. Now things seem much more apparent. My life is a gift, a present. This is personal. This is personal. The shit is personal. Cause this is personal. We can't be victims to our circumstances, so let's take chances. Shout out to my family with educated advancements. As for me, I'm trying to lead and find wealth through my passion. Sleepless nights and school days I spent working on my craftsman, writing passage after passage, making everything a classic. Running military pen drills all the time, it was a tactic. If the purpose was to be perfect, I knew I had to practice. I embraced the good, but got tested by the madness. If you chose the other side, I wouldn't judge. I wasn't Mathis. I love the hood, but rather travel crossing Atlas. And Scarborough, it will always be my flagship. It all started there. 3 Wixon Trail was where it happened.
I hope y'all enjoyed those outfits that I put together from the second delivery, as this second delivery was an interesting one for me because when I saw the lookbook, some of the pieces that I thought were going to be velour ended up being terrycloth made out of bamboo. Now I ain't mad at those pieces, but I can't see myself rocking those pieces for some time, nor can I see them staying in my closet for very long. I will say that I was excited to get that 3/4 sleeve half zip, as I can see myself rocking that for some time and it'll stick around my closet. I am very disappointed that Essence still hasn't received the full catalog that Essentials dropped on their website, which makes me think, will they ever receive those corduroy pants or any of the corduroy jackets in the different colorways, or any of the other pieces in general in the different colorways. Let me know in the comment box below how you guys feel about this, what colorways you were looking forward to in this second delivery, and what pieces y'all ended up getting. Now, before I leave, make sure you check the description box below. You'll see all the outfits in full detail, as well as the links to my music, as I recently dropped a new video, so make sure you go show some love to that video. Also, I want to big up my boy Gordon, who just hit 2 million streams on Spotify for his single Things You Do. Brother, keep making those hits. So proud of you. And before I get going, I want to give style of the day to my boy J Danny. J Danny, this bit right here is fuego. I'm a little jealous because you got those reimagined 3s. Unfortunately, my plug did not come through, therefore I don't have them, so I'm gonna have to continue rocking my 2011 pair. With that being said, peace. As this second delivery was an interesting one for me because I did not know what I was getting myself into. That sounded mad convincing, yo. Shit. And it's your boy F-I-L-I. You know how it goes. Sorry, that song came into my head, that because I'm like F-I-L-I. You probably know what song I'm talking about.
I'm just thinking now the Mississippi song from P-Valley.
How'd it go?
M-I.
Cricket. Anyways, that's not the episode we talk about today. Some old pieces that Essence just got. It's okay. I was like, continue. I'm like, I already did that. Quiet on set. What I thought to be suede. Velour. Fam. Velour. Kadiche. The pieces that I thought were going to be velour ended up being suede. Why do I keep thinking suede? Maybe I want a suede pants and top. I don't know. Can you buy that for me? Probably like 10 racks, but it's all good. Y'all need to subscribe to the damn channel. I'm trying to get suede pants and jacket. Shit. Ball sweat and everything out there. What pieces stuck out to you? Stuck out to you. What the hell am I saying? I'm hungry. Nah. Now I ain't mad. Oh man, today's not my day.
Want a cookie?
Who says that? Now this second delivery was a very yo, Elmer Fudd is in the building. Holy! Now the one piece that I did. Why are you laughing? No, the one is when I stumble over my words, the accent comes out. Hope y'all enjoyed yourself. Live, love, life, peace. I don't even say live, love, life. I don't know. What do I usually say? I got confused. Can we just not do no outro? Like, you get the fucking point. I got essentials. Bye.